In the fast-paced world of technology, it can be hard to keep up with the latest and greatest gadgets. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll introduce you to the 11 coolest gadgets you need this year. From smart home devices to cutting-edge tech accessories, we've picked the best to help enhance your life. With these must-have gadgets, get ready to upgrade your tech game and stay ahead of the curve. Number 1. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug. The Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug is the ultimate accessory for coffee and tea lovers. This innovative mug allows you to set and maintain your desired drinking temperature, so you can enjoy your beverage the way you like it. With its sleek and stylish design, this mug looks great and is incredibly convenient to use. It comes with an app that allows you to control the temperature of your drink and set reminders. One of its outstanding features is the automatic sleep mode. When not in use, the mug automatically enters sleep mode and wakes up once a hot liquid is poured into it. It also comes with an extended battery life, which can keep your drink perfectly hot for up to 80 minutes on a full charge, or all day. Plus, it can be hand washed. Say goodbye to lukewarm drinks and hello to a perfectly temperature-controlled beverage every time with this $148 gadget. Number 2. Shelfy Foodsaver. Shelfy is the latest innovative gadget that aims to tackle the growing problem of food waste. This compact and versatile device helps to keep your perishable food items fresher for up to 12 days longer in the refrigerator by monitoring their temperature and humidity levels and controlling them to preserve their freshness. It also helps to eliminate bacteria and bad odors, which can come with storing food or vegetables in the refrigerator. Also, this revolutionary gadget is simple and easy to use. You can make a difference by pressing the button at the front of the device and placing it beside your stored foodstuffs in the refrigerator. It comes with 3 different modes: Eco, Standard, and Boost, giving you a chance to choose any one that meets your needs. Interestingly, Shelfy can be controlled from a smartphone app, and you can also connect it to Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Additionally, it comes with a USB-C plug, making it charging as easy as ever. Whether you're looking to reduce your food waste, save money, or keep your perishable food items fresher for longer, this $143 is the perfect gadget for you. Number 3. Foodsaver Multi-Use Vacuum Sealing. This is another food preservation gadget, but unlike the first one, you needn't put this in the freezer along with the stored foodstuffs. This gadget uses a powerful vacuum sealing technology to remove all air from the food storage bag, slowing down the spoilage process and preventing freezer burn. It features 5 settings: sous vide, pulse, dry, moist, and marinate, making it a versatile device for all types of food. The device comes with various accessories, including roll storage and a built-in cutter bar and a vacuum seal bag. You can get this gadget for $69. Number 4. Seedze Relief Kit. The Seedze Relief Kit is a 3-in-1 wearable wellness kit designed to relieve various aches and pains. It combines thermal therapy, far infrared therapy, and aromatherapy to provide chronic pain, stress management, and overall health enhancement. Seedze offers 3 levels of temperature relaxation experience tailored to different body parts of different people, plus 4 graphene heaters, which precisely target different problem areas. It's made from 100% natural plant extracts. The device is effortless to use. Simply attach the pods to the affected area and turn on the device. Also, it's portable and discreet, making it ideal for use at home, in the office, or on the go. With its innovative design and advanced technology, the Seedze Relief Kit is the perfect solution for anyone looking to manage their pain and improve their quality of life. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or simply someone who wants to reduce pain and discomfort, this $399 device has got you covered. Number 5. Nonda Zus Accurate Temp Smart Tire Monitor. Never want to worry about your car tires again? This gadget is a perfect one for that. The Zus Accurate Temp Smart Tire Monitor is a high-tech gadget designed to keep your tires in top condition. powered by an intelligent algorithm. This device tracks the temperature of your tires in real time. It alerts you to any changes, helping you identify and prevent potential problems before they cause damage. It is easy to install and use. Attach the monitors to the valve stems of your tires and connect the device to the enthusiast app on your smartphone. The app provides real-time updates on the temperature of your tires and alerts you to any changes, giving you peace of mind on the road. It is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. In addition to monitoring tire temperatures, it also helps keep track of your tire pressure and alerts you when your tires are underinflated. Whether you're a frequent driver, an avid road tripper, or simply someone who wants to keep their tires in top condition, this $119 gadget is perfect for you. Number 6. MUSTART Level 2 Portable EV Charger. This gadget is for electronic car users. The MUSTART Portable EV Charger is the latest electric vehicle EV charging technology innovation. It's 5 times faster than the EV charger that most electric vehicles come with. It contains more sensitive chips, higher protection, and better abrasion resistance. Also, it is incredibly portable, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. It can charge your EV from any standard household outlet, and its fast charging technology means you can get back on the road in no time. The device has multiple safety features including overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuit protection. It comprises several accessories, such as a hook, a holster dock, and a holder bracket. You can get it at the price of $319. Number 7. ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner. Cleaning cars isn't an easy job. Enter ThisWorx Vacuum Cleaner. This gadget is powerful and versatile, designed to keep your car looking and feeling its best. Equipped with a HEPA filter, this small dust buster can be used for cleaning ash, dust, or drive-through food spills. The cyclonic force and the suction power of this 106-watt motor in this handheld vacuum make it easy to remove dust, dirt, and debris from every nook and cranny of your vehicle. It is also easy to use. Simply plug it into your car's 12-volt outlet and start cleaning. The compact design makes it easy to store in your car when not in use. This car vacuum cleaner is also versatile, as it comes with various tools and accessories, including a crevice tool, a brush tool, and an extension hose, making it easy to reach every corner of your car. Whether you're looking to keep your car looking its best or want a quick and convenient way to clean up spills and messes, this $27 serves all these purposes. Number 8. STM ChargeTree. The STM ChargeTree is the ultimate gadget for anyone who wants to keep their devices charged simultaneously and organized. It's a 3-in-1 charging station that's compatible with iPhones, Android, AirPods, and even your Apple Watch. The slim, vertical design won't take up too much space on your desk or nightstand while charging these devices simultaneously with a single cord. It's foldable, making it an on-the-go device and a travel companion. Interestingly, it will still work as a charging station even when folded. In addition to its practical features, the STM ChargeTree is also stylish and modern. Its sleek and compact design will look great in any home or office, and its range of colors make it easy to match your decor. You can get this gadget for $119. Number 9. PhoneSoap 3 UV Cell Phone Sanitizer. Do you know that your smartphone is dirtier than a toilet? Anyways, say goodbye to germs and hello to a cleaner and safer phone with the PhoneSoap 3 UV Cell Phone Sanitizer. The PhoneSoap 3 UV Cell Phone Sanitizer is a cutting-edge device that uses UVC light technology to effectively kill 99.9% of all germs, bacteria, and viruses on your cell phone, including the coronavirus. This compact and portable sanitizer is designed to fit most smartphones and is equipped with 2 powerful UVC lamps that work together to sanitize the front and back of your phone in just 5 minutes. You can also disinfect other small items like your key, credit card, and wallet. You can get it at the price of $79. Number 10. Nextmug Temperature-Controlled Self-Heating Coffee Mug. This is another gadget for coffee and tea lovers. The Nextmug coffee mug will keep your coffee, tea, or beverages at the desired temperature wherever you are. It comes with warm, hot, and piping options, which are 130 degrees, 140 degrees, and 150 degrees respectively. This mug doesn't require an app or any rigorous setup before use. You can turn it on/off through the mug's onboard control button. It also features a long-lasting battery and sensors to maintain your ideal temperature. Its mug is 14 ounces, giving you enough space to prepare coffee or tea of any length. It also includes a docking coaster, which charges the lithium-ion battery in the mug to keep beverages at an ideal temperature. A spill-resistant lid serves the same purpose as the docking coaster by keeping your tea or coffee warm after discharging from the docking coaster. You can get this amazing mug for $99. Number 11. Anker 737 Power Bank. The Anker 737 Power Bank is a must-have accessory for anyone who relies on their mobile devices to get through the day. With a maximum power output of 140 watts, this power bank can charge your laptop through a fast USB-C connector. It has a high-capacity battery pack and a color screen to help you keep track of the charging process. The accessory has 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A connector, allowing you to charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. You can get it for $150. This wraps up the 11 coolest gadgets you need in 2023. Which do you find useful? And are you planning to buy all of these gadgets? We'd love to know in the comments section. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more informative videos. Bye for now.